Here we have a cone that's created by rotating the line y equals 0.3x plus 1.5 around the line y equals 1.5. And we're going to find the volume of this object. First, let's conceptualize how we get this three-dimensional cone. So the way we get this cone is we rotate this triangular area here between y equals 0.3x plus 1.5 and y equals 1.5. We rotate this area 360 degrees around the line y equals 1.5 to get this three-dimensional volume, this cone. Now, before we find the volume of this cone, let's just find the volume of a thin disk. This disk right here. Now, pulling this disk off, this thing's going to look something like this. And remember that the width of this disk, that's our dx. Now let's have a look at the radius. The radius of our disk, that's this thing right here. Now notice that y equals 0.3x plus 1.5, that's this entire green distance. And we don't want that entire green distance. We just want the red radius. So the way we're going to find this red radius is we're going to take the green distance and subtract off this yellow distance, y equals 1.5. So the volume of our thin disk, remember, pi r squared times dx, because the top is a circle, we have pi times something squared dx. And so we want the red radius. But to get that, we're going to take y equals 0.3x plus 1.5. That's 0.3x plus 1.5. And we're going to subtract the yellow 1.5. This will give us the red radius. This is pi 0.3x squared dx. And so now, finding the volume total, we're going to add up every one of those all infinitely many of the thin disks for each x from 0 to 5. So the volume is equal to the integral from 0 to 5 pi which, doing the math there, we get 11.78 cubic inches.